Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's IELTS General Volume 1 Test 2, the Writing Task 2. How to write a 2-question essay. In many countries, people are consuming more sugar-based drinks than before. Why is this happening, and what could be done to reduce sugary drink consumption? Now this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, discuss why more sugar-based drinks are being consumed. In para 2, discuss what could be done to reduce its consumption. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now in the introduction, describe the topic. The topic mentions the trend of a significant increase in the consumption of sugary drinks in the current times. In this essay, I will discuss the reasons for this concerning phenomenon. I will also discuss some measures that, if implemented, could result in a remarkable decrease in the consumption of these sugar-based drinks. Now in para 1, discuss why more sugar-based drinks are being consumed. The subject of the human body's natural affinity towards the sweet and enticing taste of sugar needs no introduction. From sugar-laced milk flavoring mixtures for breakfast to sweet desserts for dinner, sugar is the dominant ingredient in most foods. And the most popular of them all is the sugar-infused carbonated cola and lemonade drinks. Not only for its taste, but also for its wide availability and affordable price, the sugar-based drink is favored by young and old alike. Now in para 2, discuss what could be done to reduce its consumption. This, however, is a gravely concerning situation, as sugary drinks are almost always consumed for pleasure and not for necessity. And this results into people across all age groups growing overweight and sometimes obese. There is therefore a need for a twofold approach where on one hand people are made aware of the ill effects of their indiscriminate consumption of sweet drinks through government-based propaganda, and on the other hand where people have already been affected by the outcomes of excesses, receive counseling so that they could make more healthier food choices in future. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, although there may be a number of reasons for the excessive consumption of sugary drinks, there are ways to curb their adverse effects on the population. The next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.